Welcome guys, I am Suha Malik and in this video I am gonna show you how to add this glitter text effect in Adobe Photoshop to create this beautiful sketchbook cover for your KDP no content book. So we will be downloading a glitter effect from Creative Fabrica or Pixabay or Pexels, and then we will add this image and we will write this title and add glitter effect to this text. So before doing this, if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe and also hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any new video from me. I have downloaded this glitter text effect from Creative Fabrica. So I went to Creative Fabrica search bar and here I typed glitter backgrounds and I downloaded this one and this came here. This is a glitter pack and here are various glitters. I use this one to create this text effects, this one. So let me guide you step by step how I did this. So first of all, you need to go to file, then create new, and we will be creating a blank document of 8.5 into 11 inches, that is here, this one, 8.5 into 11 inches, resolution is 300 dpi, and then hit create. So here is our blank document. Just double click on that to unlock it, then go to edit, fill, and here click on foreground color. My foreground color is black, so it will fill this as black. If it is not black, then just click here and select here black. So we have black cover. Now we will need to add glitter. On that, just drag your document, your file here like this, and it will be placed above the background layer. We need to resize this. Hold shift and drag like this and here and click OK. Now make a copy of this. Just hit Control plus J to duplicate this. Just turn off this one and just select this first layer and drop the opacity, something like this. And now we need to add text. Just go to text, then horizontal text box and drag here. Here we will write sketchbook, sketch and book. You can write without space or with space as you like. So place like here. You can also change its font by double clicking on it and then change the font from here. I have selected Oswald. You can also select Nexabold. Any font you have, you can select here. And once you have selected your font, place it here like this and hit OK. Now we need to add glitter effect to this. You need to place this glitter layer above the text layer. Now we have this glitter layer above the text layer. You can also change its size by hitting Ctrl plus D from your keyboard and resize it so that you can see it, that this is a different image over the background like this. You can resize it and place it like this, and then just right click on this one and hit create clipping mask. In this way you will have a beautiful glitter effect. Now we need to add some drop shadow to this. Select this layer and then go to FX. This is effects, and then click on drop shadow. Here you need to select the color of drop shadow. You can select any color. I have selected a lightish pink shade. So then you need to change these values. Just select this normal and then hit OK. It will, sorry, I have added the effect on wrong layer. You don't need to add effects on this layer, just add effects on this layer. So do that, you can also do a shortcut, just right click on this and then click copy layer style, and then come here down to this one, your text layer, and then paste layer style. So it will add text effect, that is drop shadow. So you can change color of drop shadow as to your likings by just clicking on the drop shadow icon option, and then here you can change the color to reddish, anything you like to do. And one thing more cool about that is you can select your image, and here is our image. I have downloaded some images from Creative Fabrica, so it contains this beautiful catticon. I will drag and drop this here to Adobe Photoshop like this. Here you need to redo your clipping mask if it has gone wrong. Just right click on here, then create clipping mask, and it will create a clipping mask here. You can also move this by hitting V from your keyboard, and you can move it around to get perfect text effect like this. Now we will be adding drop shadow to this image as well. Firstly, you need to reduce the size of this image. Ctrl+T from your keyboard and then drag by holding shift. It will resize like this and place it like here. Hit OK. Now just select this layer and then go to effects option and click on drop shadow like this, and you can change the color. Just hit on this and select color from the image itself, or you can select this one, this purplish color, and you can change its size. It will add some sort of glow by changing these sizes. You can change the amount of glow or like that. You can add different effects using this option. You can also add stroke if you want to. Let's see how it works. Click on effects, then stroke, and the stroke color is already white. We will be adding stroke color to black like this, and we will reduce its opacity like this, very little stroke, and this is here. So in this way you can create a very bright and very beautiful looking cover for your no content sketchbook using Adobe Photoshop, and you can also add the glitter effect like this, and it will make a beautiful cover for your sketchbook. So if you like videos like this, then do subscribe and also hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any new video from me. Finally, you will need to download this. Just click save as, go to file and save as, and select the PNG, and that would be our front cover. You can go to Canva and make a full PDF cover, and so we will be adding this front cover and we will review this so we have a better idea of how it looks in the bigger format or in full preview. So it will take some time. Now here our cover is. This is beautiful, and this glowing effect is very beautiful, especially more than this. So you can also add this glowing effect to your text. Just simply come here to this image, right click on it, copy layer style, then go back to your text layer and again paste layer style, and it will add same glowing effect as and same outline or stroke effect as this image has already. You can also change the opacity and make the better cover if you like to do. like this. It is lagging. So in this way you can create very beautiful sketchbook covers using the glitter text effect and using different stroke and drop shadow effects in Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop is very wonderful. You need to learn this if you are serious about your KDP low and no content books. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and do subscribe to my channel for more videos.